Rob said, saves clients money. Mario mentioned, keeps the system healthy and builds longevity, allows the system to operate correctly for a longer period of time. And then Dominic added that when he shows up to a job after, when somebody has a FlowTech, he says all that scale crust and the lime scale, it's no longer caked on and crusted on. It just easily wipes away. Hey guys, Rafi Conscrete here, Preferred Plumbing. Let's sneak into the back warehouse here. I got some technicians around. I want to ask them what their feelings are about our FlowTech system. So I'm going to go ahead and ask them. Can I ask you guys a quick question? What I want to know, if you had to give me 2 or 3 reasons between the 3 of you, what is outstanding about our FlowTech anti-scale system? What would it be? Why would you think clients need one in their home?
Saves you money.
Saves you money.
Well, that's a good point, but
what
I
else?
think personally is the longevity it provides the system. Over the years, if anything, it doubles lifespan of your appliances and your faucets and fixtures and everything.
Wow. Dominic, what do you think? I mean, if you go into a customer's house that has a FlowTech and it's been there for a couple of years, what are some things you notice differently than a house that doesn't have a FlowTech?
Actually, really like how it makes it a lot easier to clean things. Normally we go into people's homes and then we wipe off the scale, and then in regular homes all that scale stays stuck on fixtures, but then after the FlowTech's in, it comes right off.
Oh, it just wipes right off.
Yeah.
Wow. So there you have it, folks. Firsthand, here are 3 of some of our phenomenal technicians we have working here who had the opportunity to not only install this equipment, but to actually arrive at people's homes after the product was installed and see the difference. So just like that, you heard Rob said, saves clients money. Mario mentioned, keeps the system healthy and builds longevity, allows the system to operate correctly for a longer period of time. Mario even said it'll double the lifespan of many of your water-using appliances. And then Dominic added that when he shows up to a job after, when somebody has a FlowTech, he says all that scale crust and the lime scale, it's no longer caked on and crusted on. It just easily wipes away. And that's the beauty of it. Really amazing. Guys, don't forget, there's not many days left. There's only a few days left for the promotion. Share this video. Post and share this video on your personal social media feed. It could be Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, it doesn't matter. Save $500 off an install. But it's only till the end of August. I've never provided such a large discount. I love you guys. Take care.